Hello and welcome to another video from PJG Productions. Today we're going to be testing out again the Hero 7 Black using the hat cam and from my car. On this time we're going to be doing the Hypersmooth Timewarp at 15 times. Field of view will be wide, stabilization will be on. So let's see what today's video brings us, shall we? Come along everybody. Thanks for watching another video from PJG Productions featuring the Hero 7 Black.
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible. Don't you see? We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. Let's escape the gray and let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and our words into pure reality. 'Cause you and me are meant to be what they don't see. Never feeling wrong 'cause we don't belong. And getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible.